हेलो।
Hello.
हेलो।
Yeah, this is hello.
हाँ बोलिए।
This is Akshay Kumar.
हाँ टेल मी।
Yeah, this is Akhil, one of the HR.
हाँ
This is Akhil from. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए।
Hello.
आप हाँ टेल मी।
Can you able to hear me?
हाँ यस।
This is Akhil from HR team.
हाँ
You have given the interview, right?
हाँ।
Did you clear the round?
I did not understand what you are telling. Once again tell me.
You went for the interview, right?
Yeah.
Did you clear all the rounds, or are you still waiting for the interview round?
Yeah, I have cleared all the rounds.
Sorry.
I have cleared all the rounds.
You have cleared all the rounds. Hello.
Tell me.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahul. I just want you 2 to 3 minutes. Can you speak with me?
Tell me.
Yeah, Rahul. Did you discuss about the salary package?
No, I did not. No,
Why?
I did not tell.
You're okay with any salary that we offer for you?
Tell me.
You're okay with any salary that we offer for you? I'm saying that. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So what are you expecting from us? Hello,
15.
15,000, bro.
How much fee?
Hello,
Then how much I? Then tell me.
15,000 you're expecting.
Yeah.
You know, do you have the minimum sense? You know how the salary works?
Yeah,
Hello,
tell me.
do you know how the salary works?
Huh?
You completed graduation, right?
Yeah.
You have the minimum sense,
I am telling per month
bro.
around.
Hello, Akshay. This is not the way. You have to say in the annum, not
I
in
have to
the.
say okay, sir. I just around 2 lakhs.
You're expecting around 2 lakhs.
Uh,
So if we give you 2 lakhs, so you are expecting 15,000 in net income for you, take home for you.
no, 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah. Hello.
How did you clear the rounds? I'm so sorry to ask this question. You're not even, you can't able to speak with me. How did you complete the rounds? Can you please tell me about yourself? Can you please tell me the HR name? Hello?
Tell me, bro.
Who took you the interview first?
I did
Who
not.
took you the interview? Akshay, this is not joke. Don't waste my time and as well as your time. First, tell me who took your interview and who cleared your rounds. Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Apart from saying, tell me another thing. Do you know any other words?
I went to morning Delta Elite Systems.
Hello, bro. That's what I'm asking. Who took you? You said you clear all the rounds. Can you please tell me the HR name? Who took you the interview? Because you can't able to speak about yourself. Then what you're doing? How did you clear this round? Hello.
Tell me, sir.
What? Tell me, bro. You think it's a good call?
No, no.
Then how? I just asked you what salary you're expecting from us. You said 15,000, and you don't have a minimum sense to how to speak with HR. And I'm asking you who cleared your rounds. May I know the HR name?
Sorry, sir.
Huh? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir is the name of HR.
No, no.
Huh? Hello. Speak, brother. Speak, brother.
Tell me, sir.
Are you in bathroom?
No. I am in.
Huh?
No, I am in office only. Tell me.
Then why can't you able to speak? You're in office, bro. Wow. Where are you? I'll come here. I'll come to you.
I am at my dad office. It means
You're at dad office.
I am at dad office.
Where is your dad office?
Okay, sir. Tell me.
Huh?
I am at my dad office
Okay. Fine. I'm saying that where is your dad's office?
at Barkatpura.
At Barkatpura. Okay. Akshay, tell me the name of the HR who took your interview. Is this clear, or do you want me to ask in Hindi, or do you want me to ask in Telugu? I am okay with that speaking. I am okay in speaking Telugu in English. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to say again?
No, sir. No.
Tell me clearly that you cleared your rounds or not.
Morning they have asked some questions. Sir. I have
They
to go.
asked questions.
Sir, I have to go only one round. Only just interview only, sir. There will be they have no rounds also.
No, Akshay brother. They asked questions.
Hello.
Hello?
Ah,
Your voice is getting stuck, bro.
tell me, sir.
Oh, okay, bro. Leave it about all these things. Can you please tell me about yourself for 2 to 3 minutes?
Sir, this is Akshay, sir.
I know that you're Akshay Kumar from Bollywood.
I have completed my graduation brilliant group of institution with a.
Sorry?
I have completed my graduation, sir, in electrical and electronic engineering from
Hello,
brilliant.
I'm not sir. I'm the HR. You can call me with my name.
What, sir?
You don't need to call me sir. You just told me my name.
Nothing will happen, sir. Have you called
No,
you?
no, sir. This is professional, bro. You have to be professional. You're not labor. You have to do. You don't need to call me sir.
Okay, okay.
Just call me the name. It's okay for me.
I don't know, no, sir, your name. How can I?
I already said because and this is the second error that you're making. I already said my name twice. You're not listening. Brothers, just tell me who took your interview.
Nagaraj, sir.
Nagraj. And he said that you have cleared all the rounds.
No,
Uh,
they told you tomorrow you should come.
tomorrow to come back again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell me about Hyderabad for 2 minutes.
Hmm?
Tell me about Hyderabad for 2 minutes.
Hyderabad.
Hmm.
In Hyderabad, lots of labels to show, sir.
Okay. Will you show me the places?
Yeah. Yes, for example, Ramal Film City, Charminar, yeah,
Okay, if you
Chowmalla
are saying
Palace.
that Hyderabad, Ramoji Film City is in Hyderabad.
Be 20 kilometers, sir. Chowmalla Palace is there. Charminar it is available. Golconda also available.
You said Ramoji Film City is in Hyderabad. You are from Hyderabad or you are from any village?
I am from Hyderabad only, sir.
Then how could you say that the Ramoji Film City is in Hyderabad?
It is just away from 20 kilometers only, no, sir.
I am not asking away or inside. I said, tell me about the Hyderabad. Did I ask you to say about the Ramoji Film City?
No, sir.
Then how could you say about the Ramoji Film City? If you are saying anything about anything, you should be sure about that. Then Ramoji Film City is not in Hyderabad.
Yeah, sir.
Then how could you say that Ramoji Film City is in Hyderabad?
Ah, sir.
Please don't waste my time. This is the third time I'm warning you. If you are sure, if you want me to disconnect the call, let me know. I'll disconnect the call.
No, sir. Tell me.
And what tell me? I asked you to say about Hyderabad. You are saying about the Ramoji Film City. Keep the call. I don't know from where you people are coming to the interview. Hang the call.
Sir. हेलो सर.
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ सर बोलिए सर.
Are you comfortable in English or Hindi?
हिंदी सर. टेल मी.
Then why did you speak in Hindi?
What, sir?
This is the international process, not the national process. I said, why did you disconnect the call?
I did not connect, sir. I did not disconnect the call.
You disconnected the call from yourself.
I did
And
not
I'm not the
disconnect, sir.
fool
Automatically disconnect. I did not.
I'm not the fool you to call again and again.
Sir, if I disconnect, how can I lift it, sir? Tell me once again.
Huh?
If I want to disconnect the call, then how
No,
can
no.
I once again I should lift?
You should know the answer. I don't know the answer. You should know the answer.
I did not. I
You're
did not.
not even. You're not. I mean,
I did not disconnect the
you
call, sir.
don't
How
care
can
about
I?
your job. You don't care about your job. You're not okay. I mean, you're not. You don't care about your career.
Hello.
Hello.
Tell me, sir.
You don't care about your job. You don't care about your career. What is this, bro? Hello.
Tell me, sir. I'm listening.
Do you care about your job? Are you really interested to work?
Yes, sir. I'm really interested to work.
If you are really interested to work, then why would you disconnect the call?
Sir, I did not disconnect the call, sir. How can I, if I disconnect the call, how can I once again I should,
Okay. Did HR said you about the interview process? Sorry, about the process.
sir, from
Did
morning I've
HR
been
did said anything related to process?
related to,
Process.
sir, just a minute, sir, I am telling. Morning I went to Cyber Towers.
Arey brother, I am not asking you. You went to Cyber Tower with the new clothes.
Tell me, sir.
When did you completed your graduation?
15, sir.
15. Is this your first job or experienced guy?
First job, sir.
Amma, you completed your graduation in 2015 and you are, this
Sir,
is
I
the
have completed the
and
graduate.
the
I also
2020 you are doing your
done
first
an
job.
apprentice. Sir, I
Huh?
also done apprentice. I also done once again is another course also, sir.
What?
Sir, I have completed 2015 pass out with
Okay.
graduate. Then
Okay.
after I have done my apprentice.
What you did?
Apprentice.
Appendix.
Apprentice. APPRENTINACE.
What is that?
It is a undergoing training, sir.
It is underground?
Training industrial.
Okay, then why you're coming here?
Hmm?
You did. You are saying you did something. Then why you're coming here? This is related. This is not related to your job study, right? Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Do you want me to say in Hindi?
हिंदी tell me, sir. हिंदी only बोले, हिंदी में बोले.
You don't understand English.
Sir, I have understand English also, Hindi also,
Then why
Telugu also.
you can't able to speak in? Then why you're saying me to speak in Hindi?
Sir, you are only telling
Interview
me.
will not be conducted in Hindi.
Okay, sir.
Then why you're asking me to say in Hindi? Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Do you have the common sense? You don't know how to speak with HR? Now don't say, now don't tell me, now don't say tell me. Speak something another new words. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
What you there? What you doing?
I am fine, sir.
I asked you
Fine, sir.
this question, did HR said you anything related to process?
No, sir. He
What
told
did
you from tomorrow onwards you should come.
Arey brother, I asked you you have done you done for the interview. Did she said anything related to process?
Yes, sir.
What work you're going to do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What work?
It was some questions from electrical.
I asked you what work you're going to do.
Technician, sir. Technical operator.
Technician, current technician.
Yeah.
Okay. Arey brother, I'm asking you. Please understand that HR said anything related to process? Which
No,
process is they are going to hire you?
they told their assistant electrician.
Huh?
Assistant electrician.
System electrician. Okay, you're from IT team. Are you from IT team?
No, sir. They told that first you have to go from assistant, then after we will arrange some other. They told that.
Bro, are you married?
No, sir.
I'm sorry to ask this. Are you married?
No, sir.
Do you have any girlfriends?
No, sir.
Huh?
Sir. Okay, leave it, sir.
Sorry
Then
to
tell me.
sorry to ask the personal questions, but this is related to my job. I need to ask this. Do you have any girlfriends?
Sir, ask some another question, sir.
No. This is related to my job. I need to ask this. This is mandatory. Do you have any girlfriends?
Sir, I am. Sir,
No,
I
no,
don't want to join any
listen
job,
to
sir.
me.
Sir, I don't want to job any job, sir.
I have three
Sir,
girlfriends.
sir, I don't want to job any job, sir. Okay, for
You know,
thanking your call, sir. I am just right now I am disconnecting your call, sir.